You know the feeling. You've got this amazing idea for an online store. A product that'll take the world by storm, or at least your niche market. But then reality hits. Stocking inventory? Packing orders? Shipping nightmares? Suddenly, your entrepreneurial spirit starts to feel a little crushed. What if there was a way to skip all that hassle? Focus on the fun stuff, like building your brand and connecting with customers, while someone else handles the behind-the-scenes logistics? Enter dropshipping, the magic formula that lets you sell products without ever holding any inventory yourself. Now, dropshipping platforms are a dime a dozen these days. But if you're looking for a user-friendly option with a massive product selection, Spocket might just be your perfect match. Especially when it comes to importing products. But how exactly does that work? Fear not, fellow entrepreneur. Today's video is your one-stop guide to importing products on Spocket. We'll break down the process step by step so you can be adding those hot-selling items to your store in no time. Finding your dropshipping goldmine. Alright, first things first. You need to find some awesome products to sell. Spocket makes this super convenient by connecting directly with suppliers from all over the world, particularly focusing on trusted vendors from Europe and the US. This means faster shipping times and happier customers for you. Head over to the Spocket dashboard and get ready to explore. You can browse by category, use the handy search bar, or even filter by things like profit margin and shipping time. There are also curated collections to help you discover trending products. Building your import list, it's all about choice. Now, let's say you find a product with serious potential. Maybe it's a stylish phone case or a set of those must-have kitchen gadgets. Here's where the import magic happens. Simply hover over the product listing and click that beautiful button Add to Import List. This doesn't push the product directly to your store just yet. Think of it as a shopping cart for potential additions. You can add as many products as you like, building a curated selection that perfectly aligns with your brand and target audience. The import list, your product makeover station. Now that you've got your import list brimming with possibilities, it's time to make some tweaks. Remember, while Spocket provides great product descriptions and information, a little personalization can go a long way. Here's your chance to craft compelling titles, ditch the generic titles, and write something that grabs attention. Write descriptions that sell, highlight the product's benefits and unique features. Optimize those images. High-quality visuals are crucial for online sales. Make sure your product photos are clear and enticing. Set the perfect price, factor in profit margins, competitor pricing, and what your target audience is willing to pay. Pushing products to your store, ready, set, sell. Once you've given your chosen products a makeover, it's time to unleash them on the world. Well, at least your online store's version of the world. Head back to your import list and click the ever-so-satisfying Push to Store button. Bulk actions, a time-saving trick. While Spocket doesn't currently offer true bulk import functionality, there is a neat little time saver. Imagine you found a whole page of fantastic products on a specific search. No need to add them one by one. Simply head to the import list page on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click the Push Current Page button, and voila! All the products on that page get added to your import list for further customization. Pro tip, don't forget to review. Before you get too excited and hit publish, take a final look at your imported products on your store's back end. Double-check everything from pricing to descriptions to make sure it all looks perfect. From import to income, you're on your dropshipping way. And there you have it. Importing products on Spocket is a breeze, allowing you to quickly build a fantastic selection for your online store. Remember, successful dropshipping is all about finding the right products, presenting them well, and providing excellent customer service. With Spocket by your side, streamlining the product sourcing process, you can focus on what you do best, building your brand and becoming a dropshipping rockstar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.